Hi everybody, welcome back. This is an easy to tie, easy to fish fly that will double your catch rate. First of all, base thread down, orange bead size 10, and all I'm going to do is get myself a nice good base. Put some UV resin on and then cure it off. This stuff is ugly to work with, but it accounts for a great number of fish. Basically put about 3 inches of material on the base of the hook and tie it in good and tight. Part the fibres as you're doing so. And then in front of the material, work your way down to the bead. The bead itself, you need to build up on it, stop it from moving. Once you're happy, then start rotating the eggsy worm material, brushing back the fibres as you work it forward towards the bead. Once you get it close enough in behind the bead, tie down, trim off the excess material. I put a little bit of varnish on the thread and then tie it down good and tight behind the bead. Now it looks absolutely dreadful, but this eggsy worm in the water is a killer. If you're new to fly fishing, put one on under a bung. You'll get lots of practice in striking into the fish, playing the fish, controlling the rod and eventually landing. Traditional flies, as they say, you're waiting for a bus or you're waiting for a fish, and you will get double more takes, more practice. It's basically a fly fishing practice fly. Get this under a bung, as I said, and you'll have fish coming for it left, right and centre. Some of my friends use it and they get 20, 30 fish at a time. It's their preferred fly. The other thing to do, on the end of the material, it's basically a cord with this material wrapped into it, and I just singe the end off to stop the material coming out between the cord. Eggsy worm comes in a variety of colours. Use the bead, use different lengths. It will catch you fish. It will improve your catch rate tremendously. Outstanding on any still water. Some still waters don't allow it, so please check before you use it. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you all later.